Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to check your battery cycle count on your iPhone or iOS devices. It's really simple to do. So you guys want to start off in your settings and then scroll down to privacy. Click on privacy, and then you want to scroll down to you see analytics and improvements. Now on the very top, you'll see it says share iPhone and watch analytics. If you guys don't have that tagged on, you guys want to tag that on and then come back in 24 hours so new logs create themselves. But if you have tagged them on, you guys can start where I am now and just click on analytics data. And then the analytics data, you guys want to scroll down till you see log aggregated. So just scroll down to L till you see log aggregated right here. So what you want to do here is you guys want to go to the most recent one. So today is the 27th of May, 2020. So I'll go to the 0527 here. Click on that one. So what you guys want to do here is you guys want to scroll all the way to the top and make sure you copy everything here. So just go up here and go down to copy. Now it might lag a bit, guys, so don't worry about that. Just make sure you guys get all the information. So I'll just keep here until it copies all of it. Just like this. Then once it's done copying, you guys just want to click on copy and then head over to your notes and create a new note and just paste it in here. Now, guys, again, it might lag. If it does, just give it a second. It'll just copy all the notes once it's done. Just like this. And then once it's copied, you just want to click on done and then click on the share option in the top right. Scroll down and then click find in note. And then you just want to type battery cycle count with no spaces, and then click on done, and then you'll see it says battery cycle count 892 right here. And that's how you find out how much battery cycle count that you have. Like I said, really easy to do. I hope I was able to help you out with this video. If I was, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching.